If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
PRO jong School ba Northeastern Hill University Dr. Davidson Pengrop ulong ba kene ke jengja ke balami jengkul mar ha ke school ba nehu kalami tang nakadau bo prefect ulalap iwe samla pule ubasa ke hostel number khat khandai bo ulashat latio ya ke balakang persya kat komgi kendon trekam jong school ba kumta kalami ke jengnya pedeng kini bat poisha ke jengnya ketakti nrei kene ke jengja klanang he namar bagi breu ke manabar kilawan rong spok ke school ba bat kila shot ladat nrei ki bor penihat jong ke school ba nehu rengkat bat ki pulet kelala ban penjajai no hadin uba Davidson ulong bakani ke jing huri hura kamdai pedeng jong kanu kanu jat benreu nrei ke datang ke jeng ipher jingmut ki samla pule ki basa ke hostel ulong bakila don langut ki samla pule ki bla cuman saw melumala kat ba uwe pat ula place nam na kemut bat udang don ha hospital banyo ke jing sumar Une PRO ulong bag school ba ka session magasin jam ban pinishtam mi samla pule ke bela penmi ke huri hura bat anwad ru manu bala khot ki khna ke banabar ban wan chapo jang ke school ba bala thong ru ke committee ban kmi ibnia halor ke ke jingja ulong bag school ba nehu kan penjor ke jing pahara diginong ap pahara bat kan perking ya ke por jong ke jingrung jingmi jing breu ke banabar chapo jong ke jakasa bat an pendat not ki kor CCTV ha ki hostel kenang ban la ban tip manu barung bat manu bami
Une prefect uyai ba hakawai kamera ki borders kia shed. So that is when he questioned those boarders, those hostelers, that how they are cooking inside the room, which is not allowed according to the rules of the university. So that is when the occupant of that particular room wasa atau ke kamera yanya poyanya but tahu prefect jong kata hostel de hata ka jingya yanya ula kumi tu kena ubasa atau ke kamera ula kumi ki ketir ki bamlong de during that time only the prefect got annoyed and then the scuffle started. That is how it started. Dia tak kamera pada umdai basa ukna na tang na kawai ka community. Ikna ki basa ka community kidai na Assam na Andhra Pradesh, one from Bengal, kidai ki mixed group. So people who are just speaking that it's a communal thing, they should just be clarified that it has got nothing to do with the communal fight or community issue, communal issue. Dalam point ta hostel kila bersang men pacify ka situation, but it already escalated into something big, and some people from outside also they entered the university campus, which was unfortunate. But these professors and officers of the university, they pacified the situation and everything was brought under control. Police was also there. They had also arrived on time, so nothing untoward happened. Only minor injuries were there. 4 students, they sustained minor injuries. They were immediately taken to the hospital. 3 had been released immediately. Tang iway barang sa hostel namar ba idan nose bleeding. He is under investigation. And in the morning, today early morning, the university authorities, they convened a meeting, and in the meeting the matter was discussed with the officers, and in due course of time, according to the rules and regulations of the university will take actions against the perpetrators.
Nagalyang ke Northeastern Hill University Students Union kala penram jor ki breu ke banabar ke balawan bantom bor ki samla pule ke basa hakani ke school ba bar keladawan Vice Chancellor Bude Bensyam Dakarai ke beteng namar bakum kani ke jengja kamdai ke baja hakasian ke benengkong kabaki breu ke banabar kelawan ban penhuri hura hapo kani ke school ba Finance Secretary jongane husu umandor dingdo swear ulong bagane ke jingja kamdai setia ke bahaya nrei kalahe namar ke jingwan jagi breu ke banabar haka bakila syo berkata akti Vice President jongane husu Udin of Students Welfare ulong bakane ke jing kanat kamdai setia bandon kanu ke jing soe perjet nriu namar ba u vice president kane husu bat kilangot ba mensau ki khasi bat barok ki khana pulia kila sha sholut
Jiksha kan jingja kamdir ka isu ko bahaya kan. Jadi isu ko barit ba. Ngrei pat lom ka kelang gading di namar bakiawan ki beri di mana bar kan. Te menta ki wan ka jingwan jing ki beri mana bar kamde bakia ya ini bakia show tangat katu kan ningut ki beri. Man badan apa luti. Buat u Dean of Students Welfare u syak kenjan. Ini u beri ujungi vice president juga diusur syak show lang. Di nak kata kadau kami baret dari kelak peluk di kejingwan juga beri mana bah. Dang meneng dang yesong meeting buat VC ulah ong i baun ini ulah form ke komiti buat proctor ban ya deal buat kanika isu. Ti sibet kan sawan ke report tenang tang satip ke baja ke balong. Ti nah ini sakawiru lom ni kwa man condemn kejing lebor ki beri mana bar mah ki ini ki balak penting pensmit ki beri ki barok ki beri ki badan hang ni
tikani ka jing huri ora ka janmet ka momenen ka huri ora na ka daw yo kum ka jing tip ko jong pe
kat kum ka jing tip ka di halor jong ka bam di halor jong ka bam te jing sha long kum kini ki shmi jing huri ora dari kam juklang pat kading namar ba bunsin lom ki ini hostel sendrang le na manu-manu kindan ni jing yan jing tala kindan ni ki jing jorong ketiga ni kita indre pat bahkan ban hadu bandawan beriu na kibri bana bar ya kata kala lahir kan ki isu
kadon ka haji saprang jong ka bor ka na ka jing ya kan at banen ka de haprang jong ki jing ya pher jak mon pidon yo ban ong halor kata
halor jong ka jing ya pher jak beriu kam de repi namar ba ngani tu ipi wat u vice president mu diu khasi menin sa laingut ki khasi bala sya sholang ti kidan ki bade na kawai gajak beri bomde khasiru ki bade ki inu ki tribal ki tur ki la sather lang kamde ra ki issue jong kawai particular jaj beri bat kawai ka particular jaj beri kade mix barok ki kena ki target lut tinggal ayo ong yu vc baun sim gara ba kam tenge udi man pun klan ka disciplinary action namar kan ni ngani tu ka jingja kamde ka sin ka banikong ini wa arajar khat khandai nam baklanga ini udan gejing syakti cak bom ki kena apa ni hu mah apa hostel ki beri ona bar ki wandrung wat men ini wat kini ki men syamsnem ru Oktober nam maklanga ki don ki kena ki ba ini ki ba syakti cak bom apa hostel ni por bara sya bar campus cak thermal ndi tangki kena ba syak thermal kita kena ki baya ini bai kulmar di syak thermal lut barok bat ki officers jangan dihuru bai don lang bat kena ki madde ki khasi madde ki wijak beri ki target bi kena tinggi condemn ka jingle kum kini ki jat